Side hustle? Well, let me show you how the tax works. So picture these books. This stack here is 35k. Let's just presume that's your job income from your paid job. So this bottom book is what we're going to presume is your personal allowance. So most people in the UK get about 12.5k a year tax-free. So that orange bit at the bottom is going to be tax-free. And this bit here is taxed at 20%, but you're actually paying the national insurance on top of that, but that's being taken out your pay slip before you get it. Now, normally the way the tax works is that your money that's coming out of your job is actually taken off you before you get it. So this gets given to the tax office and you get what's left in your pay every month. Now then, let's presume you've got quite a good side hustle on the go and it's earning 25k a year. Now, the way tax works for most people is the bit up to around 50k is taxed at 20%. So what we've got is this bit actually straddles the two. So this top 10k is now taxed at the higher rate of tax, which for something like a side hustle income is going to be 40%. But as you can see, although you've stacked on 25k, just because you've gone over into the higher rate of tax doesn't mean the whole lot's taxed at 40%. It's just this book. So this book is 40% tax. The rest of it's going to be 20, apart from this bottom slice, which is going to be your tax-free personal allowance. Now, we said in most cases you would have paid tax in your job on the bottom bit, but of course you haven't paid any tax on your side hustle, and that's the bit you do in your tax return. And you're going to give it over to the tax office as part of that process. So you're going to have a couple for that one and just one for this one. So then in your tax return, all of this gets stacked into the tax return and it chucks out a tax bill. And the tax office say, look, actually, you've already paid us this amount of tax in your pay, so please just hand me this over, and you just pay your tax bill from your tax return.